Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone. Now scroll and find Backup and Restore option, and in the Google Backups section simply tap on Backup. Now you have to add your Google account. Of course, if you've got one currently applied to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to do it right now, just like I have to. So make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And now you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So do it and tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can read them and then tap on I agree. And now we can decide what kind of data we want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data. It's totally up to you. I will mark this option and tap on Confirm. Now let's tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here, backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some unnecessary charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.